In this lesson, I will explain to you a straight line method of depreciation, how to calculate depreciation with the help of a straight line method. So here I have written that depreciation is the method of calculating the cost of an asset over its lifespan. Lifespan means the life of the asset. And one more thing here I want to explain to you that you have to calculate the depreciation of fixed assets only. So calculating the depreciation of a fixed assets is a simple one. You know the formula. Only you know how to find out or how to calculate the depreciation if you know the formula. And the formula of the straight line depreciation method is very easy. First of all, you have to find out the price of the asset, right? And then you have to subtract the salvage value. Now the question is, what is the meaning of salvage value? Suppose if you have bought fixed asset, just take the example of the furniture. Suppose you have bought the furniture, the worth of that furniture is $1,000, and at the end of 4 year or 3 year, whatever is the lifespan, whatever is the life of your furniture, suppose 3 years, after 3 years when you will sell it, you will get $100. So this is called the salvage value, the value at the end of the accounting period, of the end of the life of the fixed asset is called the salvage value. So how much is depreciated during 3 years? $900. How we have to find out, I will show you in the next slide. Here I have written the straight line depreciation method is the simplest method of depreciation. Using method, the cost of the tangible asset. Tangible assets means the assets which we can touch. So furniture, vehicle, all the fixed assets are considered the tangible assets, is expensed by equal amounts. Now what is the meaning of equal amounts? Just take the example of this 900. If our furniture is depreciate $900 within 3 years, so you have to divide 900 by 3, which is equal to $300. Means every year it will depreciate by $300, $300, $300. So this is the equal amounts. And how you have to enter the entry in your system, in your bookkeeping or in your accounting. Depreciation expense for the first year is 300, and expense have a debit balance, and the credit of depreciation expenses accumulated depreciation, which is credit by 300. But here you have to mention after this that this depreciation belongs to furniture or vehicle or equipment, whatever. And this is the simplest method approved by GAAP. What is GAAP? GAAP is the generally accepted accounting principle. So in short, you can say that a straight line method of depreciation is the easiest one and approved by GAAP. And in a straight line method, every year the asset depreciate by the same amount. Same thing here I have written for you. If you will read it, you will find out the same thing which I have explained, that first of all enter the asset's purchase price, and then you have to subtract the salvage value. Now you know very well what is the meaning of salvage value, the value of your asset at the end of the useful life, and divide by number of years. So here I have made a simple example for you. Here the asset price is $1,000, life of the asset is suppose 5 years, and the salvage value is $200. Means when you will sell your furniture or whatever is your asset is, you will get $200. So this is the scrap value or the salvage value, right? And here, so from where we have got this $800, what you have to do, 1000 minus 200, this is your salvage value, divided by total number of years. So here I said the useful life of the assets is 5 years, so 1000 minus 200, which is equal to 800, divided by 5, we will get $160. So it means every year the asset will depreciate by $160, and every year it's normally we calculate depreciation at the end of the year, but if you want you can find out monthly. What you have to do, if it is 5 years, so 5 multiplied by 12 because there are 12 months. So if you will divide it by 60, 800 by 60, you will get monthly. If you will divide it by 800 by 5, this is yearly. Or again 160 divided by 12, you will get monthly. So here I am going to write down yearly. So depreciation expense, suppose this is our furniture, so you have to write down $160. Here you have to write down the date as well, December 31st, and the credit entry is accumulated depreciation furniture 160. For the 5 years you have to enter this entry, depreciation expense and accumulated depreciation will be credit. If we will multiply 160 by 5, you will get 800. So our 800 is depreciate in 5 years by the amount of $160. So for the practice problem, I have made one for you. Suppose this is the price of your vehicle you have purchased in $45,000. Salvage value and the useful life is 4 years. So what you have to do, I will give you the hint. 45,000 minus salvage value divided by 4, you will get yearly depreciation. When you will involve, you will learn more. So practice this problem. If you have any question, you can ask me. And now what you have to do, you have to subscribe my channel Sci-Mi Academy, like it and click on the bell icon so you will get the next method easily. Thank you.